Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? Good? Alright guys, so let me make some soursop juice in my kitchen. My last one have some nice soursop juice. You know, we used to get them something up on Sunday back home in Jamaica, yeah man, because we have soursop tree in the yard in the man. We used to eat it. Ooh, I haven't had it in a while. So this was brought from Jamaica. So it was frozen, took it out of the fridge. So I'm gonna blend it up. You know, you can do this two-way. You can do it with the milk and all of that. That's a more thick kind of way when you do it that way with the milk and the suppagen, and if you do it with the lime and like ginger. Today I'll be doing it with the milk, the thick way, the more filling way. You understand? That's what I'll be doing today in my kitchen, guys. Yeah man, this is something we go up on, so I'm gonna put it in the blender here. Not doing a lot. I'm gonna add some more water. Okay guys, so when you blend this with everything, you'll get a more thick texture than if you squeeze it with your hands and then you throw away all of that stuff there. I'm not doing that today, okay? So thick it is, guys. I'm gonna blend it a little bit more. I'm not going to add any more water to this, even though it's thick, because I'm gonna put other stuff in it, alright? So there it is, guys, all done. This is what we're talking about. There it is. Alright. And I have some vanilla here. So I'm just gonna go in with it. Okay. And I also have some nutmeg here. I'm also gonna go in with it. Just a touch of salt. Just to bring up the flavor. You don't have to if you don't want to. Just suppagen I'm adding to it, and I'm also adding dragon. You don't have to. You can use a malta, or you can just mix it just as is. Okay. And of course, some white rum is a must, you know. We're going to get drunk and disorderly. I'm just kidding. You want some wine, some port wine here. Like I said, you can always omit the alcohol. You don't have to. And of course, some sweetened milk. I'm going to go in with some sweetened milk. I don't want it to be overly sweet. Just want it to be right. Okay. Just gonna mix this in. Guys, we used to get our soursop juice and our carrot juice, you know, almost every Sunday. Back home when you were younger, you know. Mind you know, you'd have to grate the carrot, you know. Hey. And that's something I did not like. Well, of course I love the juice, but not the work to get it done. Yeah man, and we know we have the soursop tree in our yard, so we just pick it and, you know, put them down to ripe and heat it. You know, when you get the whole soursop, you have this thing in the middle. We used to call it the heart. We used to heat it You know, mother used to say good for children who wet bed and all of that. Of course, they never wet no bed or nothing. We start doing something outside. But you always say that. I don't know if it's true, but you know, and they say soursop is nerve food. Good for your nerves, so. But I didn't get the heart in this one. Like I said, it came from Jamaica, frozen and everything. Right. I'm just going to taste this and see if it needs anything. Now I can thin it out a little bit with a little bit of water, not a lot. Okay. Man, this is good. A bit more rum. Guys, I just some stay here. Like do all kind of different something in my kitchen. I put a little bit of Baileys in it too. I'm gonna put a little Baileys in mine, guys. Not a lot. Yep. That's just me. I like to do things differently, okay? This is nice, guys, very nice. So there it is, guys, all done. All done. You can put it in the fridge to chill, you can put ice in it. Or if you want, you can just drink it as is. It's much nicer when it's colder though. Thank you guys for watching Cooking with Cleo. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment as well. Alright? Let me know when last you had some soursop juice. Alright? Thank you guys. Please turn your post notification on also, so you'll be notified each time I do upload a new video. Looking good, guys. I'm gonna put the rest in the fridge. Yes, and I'm gonna enjoy my soursop juice. Alright? All good.